What's up, guys? This is Wally Tech. Wanted to make a video quick. I know I haven't made a video in a while. Pretty much what we got here is we got a ej207 Subaru engine, JDM, and pretty much what the problem here is I'm doing a reseal the whole motor. But most importantly, what I've seen in a lot of videos on YouTube is that this is replacing the cam gears seals, the camshaft seals, pretty much. You gotta replace these, take out these cam gears. Now, they're held by a 10mm Allen. You gotta use special Allen tool for that. And I've seen a lot of videos where people are trying to kind of take this out by putting a belt here, hooking it up here, holding it with like pliers, or try to with channel locks or something, trying to hold it down. And basically what I see a lot of people are doing that just to take the easy way out, but in the end of the day they end up scraping the gear, or pretty much damaging this plastic gear, because this is made out of plastic. So, you know, what I wanted to talk to you guys about was there's a company called company23 that they specifically make tools just for Subaru engines. I'm not being sponsored by them, nor I just like their company because it just makes life easier to work on these cars. Like for instance, like I said, this is one of the products right here that I bought. Mainly it was like 50 to 60 bucks each one. There's another one here. As you can see, they're different styles. They have different type of, you can see one's like a star, the other one's like a 3-point circle angle. Now I'm gonna show you first right here. The other side is already taken off. I already changed the cam gears on that. So basically this is like a stop pulley, right? So you fit it on, it locks, this will hold it. And with the wrench, you can put a 10mm Allen key with a ratchet. And you kind of like, well, I'm going to show you anyways. And then we have this style right here, which is considered the AVCS. So another style where it hooks up to. You see a little bit of a pain here, but I think you gotta find the right angle. And there it is. It's like that. That's the style what we're trying to do here and stuff. So, all right. So I'm gonna pretty much show you, give you an example how this rolls. How, like I was saying, like makes it easier. So we're gonna use, like I said, a 10mm Allen. Basically, and this we're gonna put right here. Okay. So then what we're gonna do is, for the ABS tool, we're gonna put it on here. And we're gonna find match this thing. I think this is it, but it's just being a pain than it usually is. Nope, same side. Bear with me, technical difficulties. Alright, got it there. Okay. Grab this hold. Alright. So we got it loose. I'm gonna, when I'm done, I'm gonna show I'll give you the product number and where you could purchase one if you want. You should check out their website. It's www.company23.com. They have a lot of cool Subaru adapters as well that you could try out. So this one's out. Got rid of this one. And you know, it just makes life a little easier. You know, you would rather work smarter, not harder. You know, so here we go. Comes right out. That's that one. Now we're gonna do the star one right here. Same procedure. Put it there. Set up my star. Alright. Not that bad. gotta wiggle this one out because it just came out right there. And now we're ready to change the cam seals. As you can see, take this off, change the cam seals. I'm gonna do much more, but this is mostly just to give you the general idea of how easy it is compared to how a lot of people on YouTube trying to give you these little tricks where you're gonna damage more. Well, you could spend like a good 50, maybe 80 bucks for both of these wrenches and makes life easier. So this is Wally Tech. I just wanted to really show you guys the right way instead of the halfway. So it's just gonna cost you more, all right? So like I said, this is Wally Tech. I'll be making more videos. I'm actually building this right now, and hopefully I'll post a video of the finished product. We're gonna be swapping this out into a Subaru Legacy. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks, and please hit the like button, and I'll be showing more videos.